Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 Notion AI use cases that actually save you time. The templates and prompts are in the description so you can get started straight away. The first use case is how you can clean up a messy project page with one prompt. If you've ever looked at a project page and felt overwhelmed by scattered tasks, duplicate items, random notes, and files all over the place, this one's for you. Let's turn chaos into clarity in under 5 minutes. Here's what we're starting with. Project Phoenix. It's a mess. We've got loose tasks buried in paragraphs, duplicate to-dos that mean the same thing but are worded differently, meeting notes scattered everywhere, random links, screenshots with no context, and a task database that's half empty and totally inconsistent. This is what happens when a project moves fast and cleanup gets pushed to later. The problem is, later never comes, and trying to clean this up manually would take an hour or more. Not anymore. All I have to do is use a prompt to get Notion AI to do it for me. Now, instead of running these prompts separately, I can use a streamlined approach so Notion AI does all of the heavy lifting. It's going to scan the page, find every task-like sentence and add it to the task database, find any duplicates, restructure the page, clean up links and files, give me a summary, all without deleting anything, only archiving. And just like that, our project is completely transformed, and I'm ready to get some tasks done. Our second use case is how Notion AI can help you summarize your research. We're going to take scattered links from around the web and turn them into summarized, cited research notes with actionable tasks, all inside Notion in minutes. Let's say I've just found this important article about what's new with Notion that I want to save. All I need to do is use Notion Web Clipper. This is like a save button that lives in your browser. When you hit it on any web page, it's grabbing the URL, the page title, and inserting all of the information into a Notion page, as we can see here. I have a number of different articles in my research inbox with a lot of different properties I want to capture. Summaries, quotes, the sentiment, tags. This would take forever to fill in, but not with Notion AI. All I have to do is run a series of prompts asking it to summarize each article, pull out the quotes, analyze the sentiment, tag each page, and create follow-up tasks. We can watch Notion AI turn these links into fully enriched research notes in real time. All of these summaries and quotes are linked back to that original article, meaning no more rereading the same article twice, no more losing the quote you needed for your pitch deck, no more wondering where you saved something. At a glance, you can see all of the key information you need to know about a particular article, making research an absolute breeze with Notion AI. Our final use case is how to turn a meeting on your calendar into a fully prepped brief, complete with agenda, context, open questions, and next steps, in under 2 minutes. No more scrambling the morning of. Looking at my calendar, I have a meeting with Koala tomorrow, and I want to make sure I'm prepared. All I have to do is ask Notion AI to brief me with a prompt. It's going to pull all the details about the event from the calendar link, search the workspace for any documents, emails, or notes, draft a tight agenda, list open questions that could move the project forward, and propose next steps. And there we go. Look at this transformation. In under 2 minutes, I went from a blank calendar invite to a full meeting brief. I didn't have to hunt through Slack, I didn't have to reread old notes, and I didn't have to guess what we were supposed to be deciding. This means I can show up confident, focused, and prepared.